How to maximize the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card is highly regarded as the top travel card due to its excellent rewards on travel and dining, valuable perks, and the option to transfer the points to travel partners for the credit value compared to the cashback cards. Utilizing its benefits can easily justify the $95 annual fee, but you might miss out on the savings if you do not maximize its offerings. So first of all, maximize your points by transferring them to your travel partners for the credit value. Chase Portal offers a 25% bonus, valuing the points at 1.25 cents each, while transferring to the partners can yield about 2 cents per point. Research can lead to deals like business class flight. You can use your $50 hotel anniversary credit by booking through the Chase Travel Portal with your Sapphire Preferred card. The credit post within one or two billing cycles but won't earn points on the initial $50. So this helps offset the card's $95 annual fee. You can also activate the travel protection by charging your trip to your card. Chase offer benefits such as trip cancellation and delay reimbursements, travel accident insurance, lost luggage coverage, and auto rental damage waivers. Ensure the trip is charged to the card or at least cover the taxes and fees if booking with miles. And you can also boost your point earnings with the Chase Trifecta. Combine the points from the multiple Ultimate Rewards cards and usually including a Chase Sapphire card along with the Freedom Flex or Ink Business cards tailored to your spending. Use each card for its highest earning categories. So this is how you can exactly maximize a Chase Sapphire Preferred card. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.